let's do it together. Hey my boldies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah. I do fashion curls, lifestyle and travel videos. So if you like that kind of stuff, then you're right here. Today I have such an exciting unboxing to do. I can't wait to share with you. So I ordered a bag that I've been looking at, or at least this style of bag. So let's do it together. Do we see her? Do we see her? This is the Coach Willow bag, shoulder bag. Let me open her up first and then we can discuss all the details. Oh my god. This is insane. I ordered her online on a sale and I'm so excited. I got her for such a bargain for around 230 euros. So this is like pretty much half the price, and I had to get her, which is why she isn't like packed super nicely, because I didn't get her at the store, but I don't mind. I'm super excited. So let's take all the plastic off. Let me put you guys a bit lower so you can see what I'm doing here. They really package it well so it doesn't get damaged. I love that. Okay, let's cut this off. Oops. So it comes with 2 extra straps, but we'll look at that in a second. Wanting this bag for so long. A denim bag I've been looking for forever. And they're so pricey right now because they're so trendy. I have the Coach certification thing tag. So let me put you guys up again. So this is her. I'm gonna put on the shoulder strap right away so we see how she actually looks like. Insane. Insane. This is how she looks like from the outside. This is the Coach Willow shoulder bag. They have a shoulder bag, which is the larger size, and then they have the bucket bag, which is a bit smaller and tinier. But I think the Willow shoulder bag is perfect for everyday. Literally the perfect everyday bag that gives your outfit still that extra fashionista vibe. She's not just a regular, she is a fashion bag. So this is how she looks like from the front. She has this denim material, and then she has the brass gold, the C sign in the front. She has the tag, the Coach tag on it. Everything is in this brass gold. They even have the Coach signs on the buckles and everywhere. Coach really looks at the details and I love that. Also here on the sides of the bag you can see Coach. So when you open her up, you just turn here. Then she opens up. She has this forward compartment with a lot of space, and here also inside there is the Coach sign. Then there is the middle compartment. So you can put all your valuables in here, wallet and whatever. There is also the Dusk bag inside, so you can store her and take care of her well. And I love it that this is not just an open bag, but you can put like all your valuables inside in this compartment. And then there is a back compartment which is closed by a button, like a magnet button. And here you have like this other compartment. You also have a smaller compartment over here in the back side. So you can put like small stuff, your keys or whatever. So this bag comes with this one shoulder strap, so you can wear it really comfortably on your shoulder. And I think it's really good that this is thicker so it doesn't dig into your shoulder and hurt after a while. Then it also comes with like a shorter strap. To be honest, I have not seen that online or anywhere, so I'm not sure how to put this thing on, because this side is different. It's like a buckle and different than this one. Oh, I get it, I think. So, okay, now I get it. So this is the crossbody strap that also comes with it. You can wear it real comfortably, and you can elongate it by this belt loop. Strap that in. This is how the whole shoulder strap looks like. You have this belt detail in the middle. Okay, now I get it. I didn't get it. I was like, what the hell is this for? Okay, so this way it's longer, and then you also have this nice buckle detail in the middle. To be honest, I think I'll be wearing it more on my shoulder because I'm a shoulder bag girly. And the reason I got this one, because I've been searching for a denim indigo bag for so long. I love, for example, the Louis Vuitton denim bag, but obviously that's super duper expensive, and I feel like vintage bags that are denim often look really kind of old, and I don't like that look. So I've been looking at all the Coach bags, and I'm such a huge Coach fan. I love their bags. I think their bags are really, really high quality. I love, for example, that this is denim, and then below this is all leather, and also the straps are leather. You can really see the craftsmanship of their bags, and for the price point it's like pretty much not beatable. I also have a vintage Coach bag, and I'm super happy with her. So I've been searching for a denim bag for a while, and across the denim collection I wanted to get actually the tabby Coach bag in denim. It just came out like recently, and I've been contemplating to get her, but I think she's around 500 euros. To be honest, that much for a denim bag I was not ready to pay, so I was like, okay, let me see if it goes on sale, and it goes on sale, but I think it's still around 400 to 500. And I'm also not 100% happy with the new tabby design that's like puffy, and then it has like these stripes kind of throughout the bag. That's not 100% my vibe, so I was not sure with that. Then all of a sudden on a random Thursday night I was like, let me check, because I always love to check online if there's bags that go like on sale, if I can find something. And luckily I found this willow bag, shoulder bag. I never really paid her any attention. I don't think I've ever really seen her, and if I saw her I didn't really give her any attention, and I'm so happy that I found her because I think she's such a chic bag for every day. She's the perfect size. She's like a midi size, but you can fit so freaking much in this, and I think a denim bag is perfect for every day. So when I saw her and then I saw that she's on sale, I was like, let me get her real quick. They only had like 2 left, so I was like, now or never. And I also love the size compared to the bucket willow bag, because this size is just, you can fit so much in your water bottle, like notebooks, just everyday essentials. And the bucket bag looks a lot like a bucket, and I think for everyday bag this is just more reasonable, or more makes more sense. I think she looks so classy. She fits to so many outfits, which is why I love denim for winter, summer, spring, whenever. I also love that this whole bottom of the bag is in leather, and then it also has feet, so you can put her on any table. I wouldn't put her on the floor, but you could even put her on the floor and she'll be fine. I just found my perfect denim bag that I've been searching for years now, I think. She's so versatile and high quality. I really think that Coach is doing such a great job. They really produce high quality bags, and for a great price point. Like, even the full price is still a good price compared to other luxury bags. And I know that really you get a reliable brand. They have such a good variety of bags. They stand to their product, to their quality. They always come up with new designs. They always have like classic bags. You can find amazing vintage bags. I really appreciate brands like that. They don't scam us and give us high quality items. Anyway, now I want to show you how I style this bag. I've got a lot of bag charms from Japan. If you haven't seen my last video, go check it out. It's about fashion that I got in Japan, and you will see all the bag charms that I got over there. But I'm gonna style her now with some of those for summer, so let's do this. So I have this really cute bag charm. I'll put her right next to the Coach sign. Freaking cute, okay. Next up I have this Jerry from Tom and Jerry, who looks kind of angry. I'm gonna put him like on top of the shoulder strap. Then he kind of dangles above. So now he's kind of above the Coach sign. And this little fella here. For winter I would take this cute ball and put it over it as well, like on the sides. I think that looks so freaking cute. But since it's summer, I think it doesn't fit. I have these two chains, one in gold, that I could put like on the bag. Looks so aesthetic. I've seen that there is a tag from Coach in gold with a C sign, and I would love to have that one, but it's always sold out or they don't have it in stock anymore, so I have to deal with what I got right now. So this would look really cute. But since it's summer, why not use this pink bag chain? So you could literally also wear it as a chain for your shoulders, like a shoulder strap. But I'm gonna just use it as a back charm. So let me figure out. I think I have to, like, since I want to have it double, I have to get it through this loop. I get this through so I can secure it on the side, and then I can use this other two and just secure it on this side. So now have it like so. I think it's kind of cute, right? I have these two scarves that I could decorate the bag with. This is like a more classic one, kind of chic. Since it's summer and we want to bring more color into the mix, I thought I would use this one. This is just a super old scarf I got at H&M. I've also seen that Coach has really cute bag scarves. So nice. You could even literally use it as a scarf, but I love using it for my bag. But I have to look into that and maybe get one myself. So what you could do is wrap it around the shoulder strap and then have it like here, or we could just tie it around this side, make a bow, and we're good to go. I think I'll tie it around the shoulder strap. I want to try that out. I've never done that before, but I've always seen that online. So I'll just take this huge scarf. It's easier if you do it with a scarf that isn't so big. I just love this one. So I'll just take it and fold it in a triangle shape, like so. And then I just twirl it. Okay, and then we just wrap it around the shoulder strap. Secure it. And then just go all around the strap. You have to play around with it a bit until you get the hang of it, but it's not so hard at all. And then just secure it, just adjust a little. I think that's cute, right? So it gives more like a summery vibe. I know it's not perfect, but you get the idea. So summery. Okay, and then I have this super cute rainbow. This is actually a necklace, but the chain broke, so I just have this. But it would be really nice to put it also on the back, because it's all about the details. Now we have the rainbow dangling here. So cute. I also have this chain that I could put on the side, but I think that's too much for me. Or also in the front. I think that's too much. So like that. I have this super freaking cute coffee holding Shikawa figure. I would love to put him on the bag. It just gives me the vibes. So I think I would just take him and hook him into this pink chain. Come on. Honestly, this is just so fun, and you should just do what you like. This will probably be maybe too much for some or too less, so it's just super, you can just individualize your bag super easily. So now on this side we have this super cute coffee drinking Chikawa figure. Love him so much. And then we have the rainbow. Then we have this really nice chain, pink. On this side we have this figure, the pink one, as well as, where's Jerry? Jerry is hiding in the bag. Jerry we have dangling a bit above so you can really see them both, and then we have the Coach tag just in the middle of it, and then the really chic scarf goes around the shoulder straps. What do you say? Now let me give you a shot of how it looks like on. I think with the bag charms it just gives more character to the outfit, and also then I can just wear a more plain outfit, and this is kind of the accessory, so I don't have to wear like too much jewelry. I think this is the perfect way to like pimp up your bag and have more a maximalist outfit. So I hope you like the unboxing and also the styling of the bag. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!